Do you still make slides that look like this? Stop! I'll give you 25 creative presentation ideas that will make your next slide pop. It's called 25 Creative Presentation Ideas, my free 5-day email course. You will learn 5 creative alternatives to bullet point slides. Thank you slides are wasted opportunities. I'll give you 5 engaging alternatives for this. Still making those tired agenda slides? I'll give you 5 fresh agenda slide design ideas. Audience usually sleeps through data slides because they are boring. I'll give you 5 ways to make your data slides exciting. Don't even talk about those overused, cliched smart art graphics. I'll give you 5 better alternatives that are easy to use and impactful. You get all this and more in my free 5-day email course. Click on the link below. Not only this, you get to download our free PowerPoint templates that you can use to upgrade your next presentation. And every idea in this course is tested to be simple, quick, and practical, so you can use them right away in your next presentation. Thousands of presenters have already signed up for this course and have given us great reviews. And if you join now, I'll send you the first lesson in the next 10 minutes. Remember, this course is completely free to join. All you need to do is to click on the link below and join this free 5-day email course. I'll see you inside the course.